Have you ever wondered what happens right when a liquid turns into a solid? We all learn about the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. While we have a good grasp on solids and gases, liquids have always been a bit mysterious. Their atoms are constantly moving, like a chaotic crowd on a busy street. But what if I told you that not all atoms in a liquid are actually moving? Researchers from the universities of Nottingham and Ulm have made a mind-blowing discovery. Using a powerful electron microscope, they watched tiny droplets of molten metal, like platinum and gold. As they cooled down, they expected to see all the atoms zipping around freely. Instead, they saw something astonishing. Some atoms were completely still, pinned in place. Even at incredibly high temperatures. How did they do this? They placed the metal nanoparticles on a sheet of graphene, which acted like a tiny stovetop. As the metal melted, they noticed the stationary atoms were strongly attached to specific defects on the graphene's surface. What is even crazier is that they could use the electron beam itself to create more of these defects, essentially controlling how many atoms stayed put. This is where things get really interesting. These pinned-down atoms have a huge impact on how the liquid solidifies. When only a few atoms were fixed, a normal crystal would form as the liquid cooled. But when they pinned down a lot of atoms, it completely blocked the crystal from forming. The most dramatic effect was when they created a ring of stationary atoms, trapping the liquid inside an atomic corral. This trapped liquid could be cooled way below its normal freezing point without turning solid. For platinum, that's over 1,000 degrees below where it should freeze. These created a completely new phase of matter, a corralled supercooled liquid. When it finally did solidify at extremely low temperatures, it didn't form a crystal, but an unstable, disordered solid called an amorphous metal. So what does this all mean? This discovery opens up a whole new world of possibilities. It could change our understanding of catalysis, as many catalysts, like platinum on carbon, use a similar setup. We might be able to design self-cleaning catalysts that are more efficient and last longer. This is the first time we've ever been able to corral atoms themselves, which could lead to new hybrid materials that combine the properties of both solids and liquids. This breakthrough could help us use precious metals more efficiently in clean energy technologies. It's a huge step toward creating entirely new forms of matter. Thanks for watching. If you found this as amazing as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more science discoveries.